Good morning, students. Today we will discuss topic integration by parts. Topic integration by parts. By parts. In this exercise, we have to learn a formula by parts formula, that is how to integrate the function that is when it is written in a product form. U into V with respect to X. U and V are two functions. These are written in a product form. Now in this formula, you have to first check which one you have to take first function. Suppose U is the first function and V is the second function. So U first function as it is, integration of the second function minus integration of product of derivative of first function and integration of second function, like this. It means formula is first function as it is, integration of second function minus integration of product of derivative of U and integration of V with respect to X. This is the formula. Now here is not a particular way to choose which is a first function or second function. Even then we use the word eyelet to choose first function and second function. Suppose first of all you have to know what is the meaning of ILATE. I means inverse function. I have to write down inverse function, and L means logarithmic function. A means algebraic function. T means trigonometric function, and E means exponential function. Suppose two functions are given, suppose inverse and algebraic, two functions are given to you. Inverse comes first, it means what? You have to take inverse function as first and algebraic function as second. Suppose log and exponential functions both are given simultaneous, so you have to choose first function as log function and exponential function as taken as second function. This is a way to select which one is a first function and second function. Now we'll do questions by taking such this method. Here is example number 17. This is not the hard and fast rule. Somewhere in few questions we have to change the concept of this, which one you have to take first function and second function. Let's see. Here is example number 17. Question is integrate x into cos of x dx. Now according to eyelet, x is algebraic function and cos is trigonometric function. Algebraic and trigonometric, A comes first and this comes second. It means this algebra is the first function. So when you apply the product rule on this integration, then this I becomes x as it is. This is the first function and this is the second function. Integration of cos x dx minus sign derivative of x into integration of cos x dx and integration of product. What you are getting? X integration of cos x is sin x minus integration of derivative of x is 1 and cos x integration is sin x. So 1 into sin x, it comes out sin x. Now question answer becomes, now you can integrate x sin x minus sin x, integration is minus of cos x. It means you have to change the sign. Cos x plus constant. This is the answer. Now in this question, alternate method is given to you. In this second part of this question, you can take cos x as first function and x as second function. In this case, you can do the question or cannot do the question. You try to proceed. This method is also given to you. Now this will tell you why it is important to choose which one is first and second. If you interchange these two, what will happen? Read it on page number 324. Proceed and read it, whether it is possible or not possible. It becomes more complicated. More complicated to do. So you first read it, okay? Why it is so complicated? Read it. Now we will do example number next. That is example number 18. Integration of log x. Now here second function is not given to you. What is the meaning of this? It means you have to take log x into 1. Into 1 means 1 is the another function which is known as algebraic function. Now according to ILAT, algebra and trigonometric function, and this is logarithmic function. It means what here is logarithmic and algebraic. It means logarithmic is taken first and algebraic is taken second. Now how to write? Integration of log x taken first. I have tried on here first and this is second. Integration of 1 with respect to x minus product of derivative of log x into integration of 1 and integration of product. Log x. Integration of 1 is x. So it becomes x log x minus integration of 1 upon x into x dx. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Integration of 1 is x. These are cancelled. What you are getting? X log x minus integration of 1. So it comes out x log x minus x plus constant. Now come to the example number 19. Example number 19. Integration of x into e to the power x dx. Now you have to take x as the first and e to the power x as the second. But you will get x integration of e to the power x minus derivative of x into integration of e to the power x and integration of product. This x e to the power x integration is e to the power x minus this is 1 into e to the power x. It comes out x e to the power x minus e to the power x plus constant. This is the example number 19. Now come to the example number 20. That is integration of x sine inverse x upon under the root 1 minus x square with respect to x. Now in this question, you have to take first function as sine inverse x and second function will be x upon under the root 1 minus x square. Now take it. This becomes Second function is x dx up root of 1 minus x square, and put t is equal to 1 minus x square and dt will be equal to minus 2x dx. So question becomes like this. Let's see, in I is equal to, I have to write down here sine inverse x as first function and x upon under the root 1 minus x square as second function. Now question can be done as like this: sine inverse x integration of x upon under the root 1 minus x square dx minus integration of derivative of sine inverse x and integration of x upon under the root 1 minus x square and dx. Now here you must know how to integrate x upon under the root 1 minus x square. So for integration, I have to take this part, this one, integration of x upon under the root 1 minus x square. How to do the integration of this? Let 1 minus x square is equal to t. This is 2x dx is equal to dt, or you can say x dx is equal to dt by 2. Now question becomes dt upon under the root t, and this comes out 1 by 2 outside. Now integration of this is 1 by 2 cancel. It means you can write like this: 1 by 2 integration of t to the power minus half. So it becomes half of cancel minus root t, or you can say minus of root 1 minus x square. You can integrate this minus half plus 1. I think integration of t to the power minus half means t to the power minus half plus 1 upon half. If you put this value here, you will get this one. Okay. Now, what is the actual answer? I is equal to sine inverse x. Now you can integrate, put the value of integration, that is minus root 1 minus x square plus this comes out equal to x plus constant. This is the answer of the question. Because when you put, I just show you, when you put here the value of integration of x upon root 1 minus x square and derivative of sine inverse x, both will cancel to each other. Only one will be there. So integration of one is what? X. That's why I have taken x plus constant. Okay. Now come to the example number 21. Example number 21. Let's take the new page. Example number 21. Integration of e to the power x sine x dx. This is I. And now in this question you came to know that why I am putting every question when I am solving equal to I. The importance of I is shown in this question. Let's see. When you take first function and second function, let's take e to the power x as first and sine x as second. So we'll write e to the power x as it is, integration of sine x minus integration of e to the power x derivative and integration of sine x dx and products integration. E to the power x integration of sine x is minus cos x minus integration of e to the power x, and it comes out cos x with minus sign, so it becomes positive. Now integrate it again. Second part further is in product form. This is first, this is second. Now again integrate it. e to the power x as it is, cos x, minus derivative of e to the power x, integration of cos x and dx, minus e to the power x cos x plus e to the power x cos x, integration is sin x, and this comes out minus integration of e to the power x and sin x dx. Now what is this one? This is I, which I have taken in starting. So question becomes, put this I and shift it to the left hand side. What you will get? 2 times of I is equal to e to the power x. You can take e to the power x common, and when you arrange the statement, you will get like this, and plus constant. When you take I, it means e to the power x upon 2. This is sin x minus cos x, and this is new constant c, and this is answer. Okay. Now here's the next formula which you have to learn in this exercise. That is the formula integration of e to the power x into fx plus f dash x dx. What is the meaning of this? Function and its derivative both are given in the question, and e to the power x is in common part. Then the answer you can write directly. This type of questions are given in the type 1 marks question or 2 marks questions. So it is directly can be written as e to the power x into f of x plus constant. Now here is the example given, 22 question, example number. Question is, first part, e to the power x tangent inverse x plus 1 plus x square. Now you can see here, this is function and its derivative is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So you can write directly the answer is e to the power x, and what is the function? That is tangent inverse x plus constant. This is the answer directly, applying the formula which is given above. The second part, sometime it is shown directly. Function and its derivative are easily recognized in the question, but not always. As it is written in the next question, you can see it. Here you have to do some efforts to get the type which is written. Is equal to, now what to do to get the type? Here in the question, you can add and subtract the 1. Like this. Now split the denominator like this. E to the power x, yes, e to the power x. In bracket, you can write x square minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square plus 2 upon x plus 1 whole square with respect to x. Now you can see here which one is fx and which one is f dash x. Before I proceed, I have to just simplify it first. E to the power x. Here this x square minus 1 can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1. So one power will be cancelled, only x minus 1 upon x plus 1 is left here, like this. Now when you differentiate, this is the fx and this becomes its derivative. Do this, get the derivative of the function x minus 1 upon x plus 1. So you can write directly the answer is e to the power x. Function is x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus constant. This will be the answer. Now here I have written f dash x. You have to check it whether it is a derivative of this function or not. You will get that fx derivative is 2 upon x plus 1 whole square. This is example number 22. Now, in the exercise, I think questions are so easy. You can try these questions. Exercise 7.6, you can do your own. No problem will be there in this exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.